The White Temple is Ocarina of Time's most famous location-based rumor and is just generally one of the biggest ones it has. And understandably so, because, just intrigue and finding different areas, but also because it's kind of weird how Rauru just gives you the medallion and that's it, nothing else. And tons of huge hoaxes and all these infamous events surrounding this rumor have happened before, one even connecting to other ones such as Overture Sages and the Triforce, etc. Now, fans have searched high and low throughout the whole game looking for the White Temple, but of course, nothing happened. However, there is evidence that suggests that it was once a real place, and we can see this in the 1997 overdump. Now, looking at the game itself, there are things that the Light Medallion has going on that the other ones have, such as magic associated with it, and the arrows too, but that doesn't exactly prove anything. You need to look into the files of that dump to find something, and looking into it, there isn't any areas that suggest that it was once a place, even though we have earlier footage of many other places for the game's betas. But there is textures. One small thing that I have not seen reported anywhere else outside of a tiny little section amongst its absolutely huge The Cutting Floor page, being these color coordinated keys, which is actually an option that you can set on the randomizer mod, but that's for small keys and it's not clear if these are for those or the big boss keys. Anyway, over here you can see one that corresponds with, the Light Medallion, being that this is the only small bit of direct evidence that we have that suggests that, yes, the Light Temple indeed must have been a real place or thought at some point. And it's not the yellow one either. That's actually for the Spirit or Soul Temple, as it was called at that time, before it turned orange and Light took its yellow. Right here is the white one, and this black one is for Shadow before it became purple, and beforehand it was referred to as dark, with these more so coinciding with the contrast between light and dark. Really, really neat, and it's cool to have that out in the open. And I really wish still that a mod would happen that's fully playable to everybody and completed that would re-add all these beta and urban legend based rumored things to the game, and without replacing any vanilla stuff like what Super Mario Eclipse stuff. That would be an absolute dream come true.